Hello everyone.
Hello.
Hi.
Yes, hello, hi, welcome to Kuala Park. Selamat datang ke Taman Burung Kuala Lumpur. Okay, before we start our show, how are you guys feeling today?
Fine, thank you.
Good, fine. Okay, apa khabar semua?
Baik.
Baik, bagus. Okay, alright. My name is Rizwan. I'm your host for today. Okay, and for information, Kuala Lumpur Bird Park was opened on 15th of February 1991, and we have about 3,000 local and foreign birds with 200 different species. Alright, now let me introduce to my little friend here. His name is Coco, yellow-necked Amazon parrot. Alright, Coco, can you say hello to them?
Hello.
Alright, one more time, okay? Hi. Very funny, okay. Alright, let's try again. Alright, Coco, okay. Sorry about that. You say it.
Hello.
Alright, yes, very good, okay, Coco. Say it. Alright. Let's see, over here we have pretty ladies, Coco. Now, how about this? Something to all pretty ladies here? Alright, okay, well, what a happy hello by Coco. Alright, Coco. I have a question for you, Coco. How do you feel today, Coco? Do you feel good or not? Okay, one time. Okay, alright, sorry. Alright, okay, actually you say good, okay? Alright, thank you for your answer. Alright, Coco, if you feel good today, now show them happy expression, Coco, from your heart.
Huh?
Yes, very good, okay? Coco, laughing if you're so happy today. Alright guys, the big hand to Coco here, the yellow-necked Amazon parrot, okay, Coco. Okay, now let's move on to the next station. Please welcome the first performer of today, Mr. Green, the yellow sulfur crescent cockatoo, and our trainer, Mr. Anna. I believe that Mr. Green has something to say here. Okay? Alright, W-E-L-C-O-M-E, welcome! Very good! A big hand to Mr. Green. We just welcome you guys to the bird show today, but that's not all. Mr. Green will show you the acrobatic trick, okay? Before that, Mr. Green, are you ready? Are you ready, Mr. Green? Are you sure? Yeah, alright. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, alright. Okay, jump to the next ring.
Wow.
1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Well done, Mr. Green. Give a big hand. And Coco, alright, wow. Okay, a little info about the white bird, the yellow sulfur cockatoo. It is very easy to identify the gender of the bird by looking at their eyes. Male have a dark brown eyes while female have a red eyes. Okay? Alright, now let's move on to the next station. Please welcome. This is Ringo, the blue and gold macaw. Wow, beautiful. Ringo is a very patriotic bird. Okay, and our trainer, Mr. Hussein. Okay, Ringo, are you ready? Yes, slow and steady, Ringo. All the way? Yeah, very good. Well done, Ringo. Give a big hand to Ringo. Wow, excellent. So patriotic, okay? The blue and gold macaw. Alright, thank you so much, Ringo. Okay, just now you have these 3 birds already. The first one is Coco, and then Mr. Green and Ringo, alright? Okay, up next, we are going to have a free flight performance, okay? We are going to see how the parrot, okay, parrot flying. Kita dah tengok burung kakak tua terbang pula. Macam mana, So everybody please remain seated, okay, thank you. The bird will fly above your head, alright? Okay, now please welcome our next performer. This is Pilot, okay? Pilot, the blue and gold macaw. Pilot will fly to our trainer over there, Mr. Anna. Okay, ready? Okay, let's try again, okay? Please go to Mr. Anna. Alright, Pilot, one more time, please, try again. Okay, Pilot, let's try one more time. Come back to Mr. Hussein. Mr. Anna, where are you?
I'm here.
Okay, Mr. Anna. Okay, where are you going, Pilot? Okay, just come back here, Mr. Hussein. Sometimes it's a bit shy today, it's alright? Okay, let's fly again. Okay, Mr. Anna over there. Pilot, please fly to Mr. Anna. Okay, yes. Walker. Alright, wow, very good. Okay, well done, pilot. Good job. Pandai terbang, huh? In Malay, we call it burung kakap tua biru. Okay, right now, can I have one volunteer from adult, please? Please raise your hand. This side. One volunteer from adult. Raise your hand. Which one? Any volunteer? Sir. Yes, you. Okay. Standing beside the trainer. Okay. Alright, pilot. Pilot will fly to our volunteer. Let us see, okay? Ready, pilot? Very good.
Masakit yun.
You minta jangan okay, bye. Hey, pilot, please come back to me. Stay. Yeah, thank you, sir. Very good. Okay, now let's drive it one more time. Okay, but this time, this side. Can I have one volunteer from adult this side? Yes, sir. Come here. Okay. Okay, can you see here?
Oh, yeah.
Alright, okay, this is for you, pilot. Sunflower seeds, okay? It's favorite food. Alright? Yeah, alright, thank you. Very good, alright, thank you so much. Okay, now, let's move on to the next station. This time, there's 2 rings, okay? So, right now, I need 2 volunteers from the kids. This time I would like to give a chance to kids, okay? Kids only, 2 kids. Kanak-kanak, adik-adik. Yang nak cuba. Over there we have 1. Yes, you, young boy, please go over there. Okay, one more, this side. Adik-adik, ada tak? Adik yang baju merah ni. Kids only, sorry sir, kids only.
Bigat yan.
Sorry, kids.
Okay.
Come here. Adik, mana?
Malusot ng klase
Adik,
sa butas.
sini. So everybody can try, adult and kids also. Okay, come. Cikgu boleh tolong? Come here. Adik berdiri dekat sini. Takut ke? Relax. Okay, come here. Okay. Alright, abang tolong. Okay, pilot will fly through these 2 rings. Okay, ready, pilot? Take your position. Ready. Turn around. Alright. 1, 2, and 3. Fly. First ring and the second ring. Very okay. Still lagi adik? One more time. Yes. Alright. Good. Alright, one more time. Ready. Okay, for those with camera again. Ready. Also. Okay. Alright. One more time. Yes. Turn around. Okay, father, ready? Turn your engine. 1, 2, 3. Ready and fly. First, second ring. A big hand, pilot. And volunteers, terima kasih. Bagus. Thank you so much, Adi. Okay? Thank you, volunteers. Alright? Yeah, thank you also, pilot. Okay, thank you so much. And Mr. Hussein. Yeah, very good. Wow. Excellent. Okay. Pandai terbang. Okay? And also thank you everybody for your cooperation. Alright, okay, now let's move on to the next session. Okay, up next we are going to do something more interesting. We're gonna have a racing competition, okay? It's a racing time between 2 birds, okay? Sekarang kita nak tengok burung kakatua berlumba pula. Macam mana, okay? Now, let me see what I can get here for the racing competition. Okay, over here I have and the ring, blue and yellow color. Okay, 2 birds will put by the ring into the pole and whoever first winner, okay? Alright, now there's 2 contestants. The first one is Ringo, the blue and gold macaw, and the other one is Popeye, also the blue and gold macaw, okay? Alright guys, give a big hand to Ringo and Popeye! Yeah, alright. Okay, before we start the race, I need the cheerleaders, the supporters, okay? I will divide you guys into 2 teams, okay? Alright, from here, here until the end. You guys will be cheering for Popeye. Okay, Popeye, can we do that? All right? Oh, as loud as you can. Popeye, Popeye, Popeye. 3 times, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. All right. Okay. What's wrong? One more. Okay, say one more time. He's not happy. Okay, guys, one more time. Please. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, yeah. All right, King. Okay. Alright, another team from here until the end. You guys will be cheering for Sharp as loud as Ringo, Ringo, Ringo. 3 times, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Ringo, Ringo, Ringo.
Yeah, thank you so much. That's better. Okay, now let's get ready with the radio. Purple side, blue side, Ringo, yellow side, okay? Now, cheerleaders, are you guys ready? Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Ringo.
Ringo, basta! He's cheating!
Wow, very good, okay? And the winner is Ringo.
He cheated!
Ringo cheating. Ringo cheating. Oh, okay. Calm down, let's go, okay? Alright guys, I need to have it and say that Ringo is cheating, okay? Alright, if you think that Ringo is cheating, are you sure?
Yes!
Okay, if you guys Ringo is technically smart, put up your hand. Alright, anyway, we can go back and say, thank you for saying that very good actually. Wow, brilliant. Wow. Congratulations, Ringo. You just won the race, okay? Actually, both of them are the winner. Very good. Alright.
Ringo is cheating.
We have something for Ringo. Okay, we have a sliding board. Papan dulu tu. First, we are going to see how Ringo play the sliding board. Kita nak tengok Ringo main sliding board macam mana. Okay, before that, I would like to invite one more person, okay? So, the sliding board together. Alright, please welcome. This is Shanti, the scarlet macaw. Okay, wow, so pretty.
Colorful!
Cantik kan? Okay.
Berapa?
Alright, Mr. Aziz. Okay, one by one. Shanti first. Yes, Shanti, are you ready? Wow. Good weather today, yeah? Alright. Okay, Shanti. Slow and steady. Good up there.
Wow.
Kaganda na.
Alright, yes, almost there, Shanti.
Oh!
Mr. Hussein, one by one, Yes. Good. Sideways. Okay, Ringo, your turn now.
Wow!
Wow, very fast. Okay, Ringo, thank you now. Okay, Shanti, one more time. Okay, Shanti, yeah. Very excited first, Sideways, well done. Oh my God, the big hand is Shanti and Ringo. Wow, so clever. Okay, excellent performance. Thank you so much. Okay, for information, parrots are very intelligent birds. They can learn many tricks and many words. Okay, for example, an African grey parrot can learn up to 3,000 words in their lifetime. Okay. Okay, now let's move on to the next session because our trainer this time, Mr. Anna, brings 2 birds. Okay, 2 birds, and their name is Poppy and Jody. Okay, Poppy and Jody. They are green wing macaws. Green wing macaws. But before that, have you guys ever seen the parrot playing basketball? Basketball. Okay. Alright guys, over here we have a basketball for them. Okay. So, Poppy and Jody will play the basketball together. Interesting. Okay. We only have 2 balls, Can you find one more ball? Actually, we have 3 balls in total. Okay. I give you time first. Okay, Mr. Anna, please find one more ball. Sudah hilang.
Oh!
Okay. We
Oh!
have 3 balls in total. Let's start, alright? Okay, Poppy and Jody, come here before we start. Okay, this is Poppy. Another one is Jody. They are very loud. Okay, you need to calm down. Alright, let's start the basketball game here. First ball grabbed by Poppy. Poppy passing to Jody. Yes, well done. Okay. First goal for Jody. Yeah, good teamwork there. Alright. Second goal for Jody also. Yes. Alright. Last one. Last one here. Come on, Poppy. Alright, okay, very good. Okay, all of you, Poppy, enjoy this. Wow, so interesting, right? Okay, thank you so much, alright? Thank you, Poppy, enjoy this. Wow, that's how they are playing basketball together. Interesting. Alright, now let's move on to the next session. This time we are playing with Poppy. They are almost look similar, okay? Actually, how to differentiate between Poppy and Jody. Jody bigger than Poppy, okay? Over here, the color wooden block. Poppy will arrange back a wooden block according to shape and color. Poppy akan susun balik ikut warna dan juga bentuk. Okay. Green, yellow, blue, last one, Poppy. Red. Well done. Good job. Well done. Pandai. Okay, one more time, please. Mr. Anna, one more time. Not finished yet, okay? Alright, guys. How about we start with red first? Okay, this time red first. Alright, Poppy. Okay, one more time. Well done. Yes, blue. Okay, stop, please. Mr. Anna. I want to change here.